Unveiling the mystery of serving size. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in conversations about food, nutrition, and health: serving size. Understanding this term is crucial for making informed choices about what we eat. So, let's get started and unravel the details of serving sizes. A serving size is a standard, measured amount of food that is often used on food packaging to guide consumer choices. It's not a recommendation of how much you should eat, but rather a unit of measure that helps to calculate nutritional information. This can vary from product to product and is not necessarily the same as a portion size, which is the amount you choose to eat. Understanding serving sizes is essential because it helps you assess the nutritional content of what you're eating. For instance, if a bag of chips lists the calories per serving, knowing the serving size lets you calculate how many calories you're actually consuming based on the portion you eat. To use serving sizes effectively: 1. Check the product label for the serving size. 2. Measure your food with utensils or scales to match the serving size. 3. Adjust your portion if you're eating more or less than the serving size. 4. Calculate the nutritional intake accordingly, especially if you're monitoring intake for health reasons. That's a wrap on serving sizes. Remember, while serving sizes are a helpful guide for understanding food labels, your personal portion sizes may vary according to your dietary needs. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make smarter choices about your eating habits. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.